Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.
Hey guys, it's Mickey, and in today's video we are doing a little fall decor shopping. We're heading out to the at-home store and the Dollar Tree. I'll share with you what I picked up today and my plans for fall decorating. So if you are new here, I hope you'll take a minute to subscribe. I put out new videos every week about all things home. I wanted to start off with a quick outfit of the day. I haven't shared one in a while, so today I'm wearing this cute little floral top that I got from Ann Taylor. I have on my favorite white denim jeans from Target and just some nude ballet flats. I'm up early, we're heading out to the store, so let's see what we can find.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you.
Our first stop this morning is to the at-home store. We have a new big beautiful store in our area. It seems that they are in the middle of stocking their shelves with fall decor, but what they did have out so far was really beautiful. They had a bunch of Halloween items that range from the very spooky to the very adorable, and the fall decor that they did have out had that rustic farmhouse vibe.
No matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Our next stop this morning is the Dollar Tree. You know, I think I have fallen back in love with the Dollar Tree recently. I am so impressed with the quality of their items and the selection that they have. Their new Craft Square collection is really awesome. There's so many options for DIY. They were still unpacking a lot of their fall stock, but they had so much out on the shelves that I just love.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
So I am back from the Dollar Tree, and I could not be more excited to share with you this small haul that I brought home with me. Now, my Dollar Tree was still in the process of loading their shelves. I was bopping in and out of, the staff trying to find and see what I could see, and I am continually impressed with the Dollar Tree. I made a trip there a couple weeks ago, and it had been my first trip back in probably a year, and my first trip there since they had their price increase. And I have to say that price increase that they made really reflects in the products that they have available. Dollar Tree has become my go-to place for DIYs. They have so many cool things that you can easily transform into something bigger and better, and their quality has improved so much that some of the items you can just display as is. Some of the items that I purchased today, I was kind of blown away about the price tags that were on them. There is one or two in particular that I think you could have easily bought at Hobby Lobby for so much more money. So let me get in here and show you what I picked up. So we are going to start off today with probably one of my favorite pieces that I had picked up. And this I found over in their seasonal department. And I really do think this is one of those items that you could easily find in a store like Hobby Lobby for so much more money. I was really drawn to it because I love galvanized metal, and this word here is all done in galvanized metal. They had a couple different phrases to choose from. The leaf here is also in metal, and I just love anything that is set up like Scrabble letters. I just think it is so cute. It has a cute little stem accent up here with some raffia ribbon, and believe it or not, I purchased this for just $3. There are so many places around my house that I can see putting this. You can even build a whole display just around this piece alone using some wood accents, some metal accents, and you could even pull in the red from these letters. One of the other pieces that I think is so much like a Hobby Lobby decor piece is this tabletop 3 pumpkin sign. I think they also had acorns that were in this exact same setup. It is all kind of whitewashed in white, and it's set up like some shiplap, which is perfect in my home. I have some shiplap in some of the rooms here. Now I think I'm just going to keep this pretty much as is, and I'm just going to cut out a word that goes right in this section here with my Cricut, and it'll be done and ready to set up. Something like this is so neutral. You can put anywhere. You can put it in the bathroom, the kitchen, on a side table, on a nightstand even. I just love simple pieces like this. The Dollar Tree is so great for DIY pieces. You can find something there that you can easily transform into something else. So I picked up 2 of these pumpkin, thankful, and blessed signs. Not so much for what they say here, which is kind of cute. You can add this right to your decor and be done. But I like to turn things over like this and design something here on my own. I really like that it had the cool galvanized metal accent piece that I'm going to try to pry off of there without ruining it, so I can add it on the other side. But honestly, how cute are these? Even with the string here, you can easily just pull it out and turn it the other way once you have it all designed the way you want it to. I just love things like this. It just makes decorating and crafting so much easier. Now, those of you who have followed me for a while, you know how much I love those little red trucks, and I honestly could not pass this up. Isn't this adorable? It was $1.25, and you can easily keep this as is. You can add it to a wreath. And what I think I am going to do is I'm going to take one of these wood hanging decor pieces that I got in the craft section and come up with something to go underneath of it and kind of make a sign, something like this. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it just yet. But I love the colors in this. They were kind of muted a little bit, which I really like. And it has a bunch of pumpkins and gourds in the back. And I thought this truck was really cute. It looked like it's from like the 50s or whatever. So I'm excited to come up with something to use this for because I really think it's adorable. I like these wooden signs so much that I ended up buying 3 of them. I found them over in their craft section or crafter square, and they're called wood hanging decor. I think they were $1.25. I'm pretty sure. I'll have to check the receipt, but I like these because, you know, they're all pre-cut, and I use a lot of little signs like this for holiday decorating, especially like over my mug rack in my kitchen, and signs over doorways and things like this. And this couldn't be easier. All I have to do is paint this up and cut some lettering and an image out with my Cricut, and it'll be done in like no time at all. I bought 3 of them on this trip, and I think I'm going to use it for fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. With that same idea in mind, I picked up 2 of these hanging signs. As you can see, they're already painted black, which is perfect for me, especially for Halloween, but I love any sign that has a black background because it gives that chalkboard effect that I love so much. So I bought 2 of them because I have an idea for a Halloween display that I'll be working on. And again, I really think the price cannot be beat, especially when you compare them to things that you can find at Hobby Lobby. Granted, it's already maybe done for you, so the price, the higher price is acceptable. But for someone like me that I really have like definite ideas in my head what I want for decor, something like this is so valuable to me because I can make it whatever I want, and that is one of the things I love so much about DIYs and crafting. So we are going to see what these turn into, and I will be sure to share it with you. I went ahead and I picked up a couple more of these 3 section signs. These are the ones that I shared with you guys in my Christmas in July video. I made the little gingerbread house sign for my kitchen out of these. I think they are really awesome. I loved working with them. They were very sturdy and really well made. They're $3 a piece. They come with the little jute hanger already attached to it for you. Now I have the idea of creating a little trio of pumpkins with these. I'm going to stand them up this way and paint and stain them. So I'll be sure to share that DIY with you a little bit further into the season. I'm sure you've seen these dish towels sitting here, and yes, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I could not believe it when I saw them because I'm always looking for little things like this that I can use with my heat press, you know, for the holidays to create little kitchen towels and things like that, you know, just so I don't have to put out a lot of money for a towel that's only going to be out for display. You're not really going to use it much. You just want it to, you know, kind of match your decor a little bit. So these came in a set of 2, and they are a really nice quality. I think you call them bar towels. They even come on one of the sides. Oh, where is it? But they have, I think, a little loop that you can use to hang from a hook if you wanted to. But I'm going to be using my heat press with these and my Cricut. I like to always have holiday towels, and honestly, they are really expensive. So I really can't always find what I'm looking for because I don't want to really spend a lot of money, you know, for something that is just going to be part of your display just for a few months. So these will be so perfect to make something that is going to match my kitchen or match my bathroom. When I see how well they do with the heat press, I'll probably go back and see if I can find a few more of these, because like I said, the quality is really nice. It's that cloth napkin quality, you know, that you find, because even on Amazon, to look for inexpensive towels that you can use your heat press with, they are so much more expensive than this. So I'm excited to share with you a couple DIYs with these. I also picked up a couple little pizza pans. I love crafting with these things. I've used these for years. What I like to do with these is use these for hostess gifts when you go to, you know, a little holiday party. I like to add like a little, you know, cutout in the middle here with my Cricut. I like to add the little wooden beads around the perimeter here, and it is just a really simple little gift you can give, you know, as you're going into a party, just to say thank you. And they're not too expensive, and they're great for somebody just to display for the season. So I picked up 2 of these, and I'm sure I'll include them in an upcoming DIY fall video for you. Now I also picked up these absolutely adorable little pumpkin stands. I call these like cupcake stands, and I use these a lot as risers in my display. I picked up 3 of them because I could not believe how cute they were. They came in a couple different colors. I just purchased the white ones because honestly, you know, I can use these throughout the year. You know, for risers in my displays, because you won't really see that it's a pumpkin, and you know, it really doesn't matter that much anyway. But these are really nice. They're ceramic. They're, you know, they're heavy enough that they're not going to tip over, and I thought they were absolutely adorable. Something else that I thought was adorable were these little silver pine cones. They also had acorns, but you know, pine cones are my absolutely favorite thing ever. Now I'm not going to be using these for the fall, but they will definitely come out during the holiday season because I decorate with pine cones throughout the winter time. And these were $1.25, and again, like just like the little risers, they're heavy enough that you know they're not going to get, you know, pushed over really easily because they are ceramic. So I picked up 3 of them for now, and I'm kind of hoping maybe they'll come out with some more designs for the holiday. I love Dollar Tree ribbon. I mean, you cannot go wrong. They have so many cute different styles. I picked up a couple rolls of the little red truck with the pumpkins in the back and matching red checkered ribbon. They're wired. They are perfect to make little bows for your creations. And like I said, you can't go wrong because I think ribbon is really expensive. I try not to buy it unless I can get it for like, you know, 50% off at Hobby Lobby or, you know, one of the other craft stores because it really is expensive. But I use so much ribbon during every holiday season because I really think it does add a lot to your decorating, and it really does bring the colors of the season in. So I picked up a couple rolls of this one and a couple rolls of this so that I can make some pretty bows and things for my fall creations. So the last thing that I picked up has nothing to do with fall, but was so adorable that I could not pass it up. They had a couple different versions of this little, like it's like a little shoebox. They had a police car, a fire truck, and this little dump truck. And it's just like a little shoebox. And I think that it is like such the perfect idea if you wanted to do like a little gift basket for like a little guy, you know, fill this up with a bunch of Matchbox cars or Hot Wheels, you know, put some of that shredded paper in the bottom of it and you can build a whole gift around it. I love little things like this. Whenever I see something like this, I kind of pick it up and I add it to my gift stash. So when like a birthday party comes along, I have something special that I can create a whole gift around. So be on the lookout for these. I'm sure that they're probably going to bring in more of these because they seem to be really popular when I was there, and they really are adorable, and I cannot wait to, you know, pass this along to, you know, one of the little people in my life. So that's everything that I picked up today. Believe it or not, I didn't even buy anything at the at-home store. I'm gonna wait until their stock fully comes in and I can see everything that they have before I make my choices. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall decor shop with me video. I am so looking forward to the fall season and all the cozy video ideas I have in mind. I hope you will join our communities over on Facebook and Instagram at My Bashful Life, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you all back as part of our YouTube family. So until I see you in that next video, I hope that you love the life that you have, be kind to each other, stay safe, and I will see you again soon. Bye!